实话是我这种红亚的打的比较干。
lang mo yan, lang mo pa lang siya niya. Sising ka lang siya nun ito. Ano siya ka? Nung siya ang ganit sapsar eh. It's a great pleasure for me to be in this pony farm, Manipur Polo and Horse Riding Club. Riding horse is a very good exercise for all the human beings to develop confidence, self-confidence. You know how to control your mind. You learn by riding horses. When our mind is wandering here and there, to control mind, as you learn how to ride a horse, it's an animal, it's not a machine. So you are controlling the animal. Wherever you want him to go, you are giving direction, you're controlling. So it gives a great lesson to mind controlling. So it's a good exercise. I would recommend all the young people, young minds to learn how to ride a horse, because it will boost the self-confidence and management of mind to the young minds. So I recommend. Come on.
왜? Bueno, pues pugi oyom sa piro. Ay niya ko hay lagi.
Bueno,
Pagi hoy ko.
Para tang nó mình tôi thu giảm nó cái ta đó đúng không? Để nó tụ đi rồi không biết rồi.
Tao ăn cái không già này không được. Không mấy già này biết cái gì này.
Kita pakai ke kop sana. Amonya tayar na tahu dia lah. Kalian nggak kenapa?